Hey, I just wanted to show you this application that I made that kind of spins and creates keyword rich, relevant Exif data for images that you can use throughout your properties for SEO. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how it works, and then we'll go into kind of the nitty gritty. So let's see. So you can see here I've got 6 images, and you can see they kind of have pretty basic names, but there's nothing in the details of the image that provides a lot of benefit towards Google. Like there's no NAP, there's no GPS, there's no keywords in here anywhere, and we're going to fix all that. So let me go ahead and clear out my last run. Then let's just run it and we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's very quick. It created 6 files, and we can see them here in this output folder. Now let's take a look at one of them. Okay, so now you can see I've got a NAP here in the title, got a NAP in the subject. I created a rating, not that I think it matters much. I've created some keywords in the tags field. And in those comments, you'll see I've inserted an entire article, a keyword-rich article within the comments, just further telling Google, hey, this is important. For the author, I also use the NAP, and then you'll see as well I've got the latitude and longitude of the business. Okay, so we see how it worked. Now let's see through the nitty gritty. Okay, so these are the different settings. You can set them all manually, but I'm kind of lazy, so I created this default file, and that's going to tell the application, hey, these are where I expect these things to be. And so as kind of a workflow, you could create an input folder, an output folder, do the different, articles, the keywords and the locations all in different places. And so that it's pretty much ready to go from here. But it's simple to, just copy and paste and do something in here as well. And you can select the different files. So, that's how it works. It looks for, text files, that sort of thing. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to select where the images are coming from and where they're going. Now you've kind of seen that already. So I'm setting the test images as my unedited images, and then the output as where they go when they're done. Makes sense, right? Okay, the next thing that's pretty cool is the comments. So what the comments is it is different articles I've created using ChatGPT. You could have one article, you could have 1,000 articles. It doesn't really matter. It's just going to choose one at random and use that text within the comments of the image. And so you can see one of the articles here. So just pretty basic keyword rich articles. It's just going to choose one at random. The next thing is these keywords and the locations. So this is pretty standard spin stuff. What we're doing is we're taking a list of keywords, we're taking a list of locations, and then we're spinning them. So one of these plus one of these equals a keyword, right? And so it can go either way. It could be Glen Allen fencing, or it could be fencing Glen Allen. Either way. And you can see that at work here. This is chain link fencing. This is Glen Allen, Mechanicsville, Palisade fencing. Just kind of mix and match and actually hover over them and see in the tags are all those keywords. So Richmond, VA horse fencing installation near me. And then, so they're different for each one basically. And you can see, that's why I thought the NAP should go in the title, because you can see these are the most important things. And right there in the title is our NAP. So I think that's going to help. So that's how that works. It's just kind of a randomization. Now you can choose to add more if you like. Let's say you wanted 50. So I want 50 keywords now. It's going to go into the tags. Let's just process them again. Like I said, it's really fast. And then one of these. Then if I go to the tags, you can see, well, you can see that's quite a bit more than 5. It's that 50. So it's created those 50 keywords, and they're all going to be there in that article. So that's what that does. The NAP is here. Try to keep it as clean as you can and close to what is Google is using. And latitude and longitude. Again, you can type these in. I'm just using the defaults because I'm lazy, but it's possible to go in here and manually edit each of these things and create them. And you can just do it over and over again and create a bunch of different versions of the files, right? And so then you've got all these different keyword rich files. All of them are a little bit different with the keywords, with the text on the comments, that sort of thing. And so you're in pretty good shape. I think that kind of covers it. I think I covered everything. So yeah, so let me know if you got any questions. Like I said, it's dirty and cheap, but it does the trick. So I hope you enjoy it. Take care.